Between the mayor and a trash contractor read aloud by a city council committee, all connected to the emergency declaration Mayor Cantrell issued for the French Quarter and downtown.
Well, leaders are now questioning the legality of what the mayor signed off on. WDSU's Brittany Werner is live in the French Quarter explaining the concern. Brittany?
Yeah, well, if you drive or walk in the French Quarter all over, you'll see signs like this that say "Keep Ivy Waste." It's a shared feeling for business owners and residents in this community after they learned their sanitation services could be changed.
The emergency was a fake emergency.
It's the messy situation and the reality that Council President J.P. Morrell says had business owners and residents alike worried about since Mayor Latoya Cantrell decided as of July 31st, the sanitation company Ivy Waste would no longer service the quarter.
She manufactured the emergency to try and give Mr. Henry, the contract, a more expensive version of the contract. And the problem is, even if she has the final say, she has to follow the law.
Morrell says the contract should have been signed before the council rescinded the emergency, and they are questioning the validity of when it was signed.
No one who knows trash in the city was involved in that conversation. This was an exclusive conversation between the mayor and Mr. Henry directly, where she decided to take the advice of the contractor who's trying to get paid $2.1 million for objectively less work over the director of sanitation, over 2 CAOs, and over the CAO of the city of New Orleans.
Morrell says the mayor awarded Henry Consulting a new contract without the approval from her team or the sanitation department tasked to oversee the topic.
The city attorney says they didn't negotiate the contract. The CAO didn't negotiate the contract. The deputy CAOs did not negotiate the contract. And the director of sanitation was excluded from negotiating the contract.
However, due to state law, the French Quarter Management District has the authority to create their own temporary contract with the sanitation company of their choice, while the city is without one.
There's really a unified position amongst the business people and the residents of the French Quarter in terms of the performance of Ivy Waste and the results.
And although the French Quarter will be covered temporarily while the city works out its legal issues, other parts of downtown are still at risk of having trash collection services interrupted come August 1st.
And I would hope that the city has a plan that they can proceed with so that the entire city of New Orleans has the sanitation services that the taxpayers deserve.
And the city sent out a statement saying the legal matters will be worked out in the courts and they are committed to working with whoever will deliver trash services in this area. Henry Consulting, however, is now suing the city over that emergency contract. So lots of legal issues to be worked out before we learn who will definitively be the company picking up the trash in District 5 starting August 1st. Reporting live in the French Quarter, Brittany Werner, WDSU News.
4 candidates